This project in Queensland is intriguing to me. I'm from Victoria and we would never tackle heritage like this.
Is it just me or is this crazy? We're jacking up a house and kind of filling underneath with a new house.
I actually live around that area, so I get to see a lot of these Ashgrovian buildings being renovated and reinvigorated, and this one has been done really well.
I'm in Ashgrove, Brisbane, and this quaint little suburb has this unique architecture. Klaus, apparently you're the expert.
Yeah, look, thanks, Richard. We've got these houses that were based off the Californian bungalow. And the big thing about these houses, they are traditional overlay, which means they are built prior to 1946. And here in Brisbane, anything built prior to 1946, we've got to keep the character of the existing house.
So what if you want to renovate or add another level?
Yeah, look, Richard, we've got to essentially jack a house. We've got to lift this whole house up as high as we can, in this case 9.5 metres above natural ground level, and we've done it right next door, so let's go and see. Here we are, Richard, the existing house. You can see it, what it was before. The top level from the bay window and the deck was the level of the house at the natural ground level that we used to walk, and what we've done, we lifted it 2 metres up, gained essentially another whole level downstairs. We've gone from 115 square metres to 370 square metres for the entire house, plus outdoor living and carport.
My name is Sergio.
I'm Lorena.
And we are the owners of this beautiful house.
So I understand that you're engineers. I mean, you weren't worried at all about lifting the house?
When I saw this house, I really liked the potential.
I think we both knew that the house needs to be raised to create the living areas downstairs, because we wanted the house to be connected indoor-outdoor. That was a must for us, with a big outdoor space. We knew a few things that were happening. We are familiar with levels, retaining walls, so that for us wasn't a challenge, and we were really enjoying the discussion with both Klaus and also Kirby, the builders.
When you're jacking up the house, the big risks are collapse. The weight of the house, etc., has to be taken into account beforehand. In this scenario, we had a tiled roof, so the house was quite heavy to begin with. We had to remove the stucco, which was essentially concrete around all the walls, to get that weight down before it could be lifted. We demolished the bottom story to get steel beams in until they get up to the required height. It'd be cheaper to knock it down. You're not allowed to knock it down. So we had to work within the constraints of the existing style and the elements of the front facade. So working within that, I think we've done a pretty good job of maintaining some sort of budget and bringing an outcome that the clients can be happy with.
We've got this kind of grand open kitchen space that flows outside, and then it flows around to this big open dining space that then draws into the lounge to create this really unique, open, contemporary, but in a way a coastal home that creates a really inviting space for everyone to use. We do spend all our time outside in Queensland. We got the climate for it. Indoor-outdoor living is so important here. What's difficult, I guess, to design in this orientation is that western sun. It really does come through into the house, so it becomes really difficult to enjoy that outside space. Hence, you know, the reason why we've done these large eaves, large overhang pergola over here that gives us this beautiful filtered light.
Yes.
But what we got here is really nice retreat-style ambience out here that flows from inside to the deck space, and then it flows out to this fantastic pool. First floor of the house, and essentially where we're standing now is the existing kitchen of the house. We converted those existing rooms, because they were so large, into two of the kids' bedrooms just behind you. We've got the existing bedroom, which was the main bedroom of the house. You know, this is such a grand room, you know, essentially 5 by 5 metres, walk-in robes, the, you know, bay windows that it had. This was a perfect room that we could keep, but it also had the ornate ceilings.
So these are the originals?
Yeah, they're the originals from the 1920 period.
And Klaus, now you've got a whole new wing down here.
We built this wing on the western side of the house, and the wing essentially went over the new lounge area down below, and the wing consists of a walk-in robe, ensuite and the main bedroom.
We've been having a really great time since we are here. We miss family and friends, but this is home already. Yeah.
Salute.
Salute.